Good morning children. Welcome back to Maths online class. Now we are going to do the next chapter, lesson 11. Children, I have not been able to send my own video for money. So I have sent you the animated videos. I hope you have understood and the exercises also. Please do that. Now after that we have this chapter, perimeter and area. I am going to explain you what is perimeter. Children, please see it carefully. Now what is perimeter? Perimeter is the closed figure or boundary of a figure. Now in this, children, I will give you an example. Like you have a square here. Now in this square it is a closed figure. So the boundary is A, B, C and D. So you measure the boundary here. Then you have one more figure, that is triangle. This is also a closed figure. In this you have A, B and C. Then you have a rectangle. Now children, in this you have A, B, C and D. Now perimeter means the outer boundary of a figure. When you measure that, that is called perimeter. And perimeter has a formula for square, triangle and rectangle. I am going to write here perimeter of square is equal to, children, suppose the one side is 2 centimeter, so you are not going to multiply, you are just going to add it, but in a different way. Here you will write, as the square has 4 sides, so you will write 4 into side, means you are going to multiply the side by 4. Why? Because square has 4 sides. Now perimeter of triangle. In perimeter of triangle you have 3 sides, so A plus B plus C. So you will get the answer of perimeter of triangle. Then you have perimeter of rectangle. Now children, you know that in rectangle the opposite sides are equal, like A and C are equal and D and B are equal. So their length and breadth is equal. So if you have here 2 centimeter, here 2 centimeter, here you have 3 and here you have 3. So you are not going to add like 2 plus 3 plus 3 plus 2. No. You are going to multiply the side and the length by the number 2. Now see, 2 into length plus breadth. Now this is how you have to find out the perimeter of rectangle. Now I will give you one example of square. Now in square, one side is 5 centimeter. So you will write the formula here, 4 into side, and you will multiply 4 into 5 is equal to 20. Now children, always remember that in perimeter you don't write the unit as square or cube. You just write the unit in which the sum is given. Like here it is centimeter, you will write here only centimeter. Why? Because here you are adding the boundary. Next is triangle. In triangle, children, one side is 13 centimeter then one side is 3 centimeter and one side is 6 centimeter. So now what are you going to do? You are going to A plus B plus C is equal to 13 plus 3 plus 6 is equal to how much? 6 plus 3, 9, 9 plus 3, 12 and 1, 2. So your answer is 22 centimeter. This is how you will find the perimeter of triangle. Then you have rectangle. Now in rectangle, as I have told you, the opposite sides are equal. So length is equal to 7 centimeter and breadth is equal to 5 centimeter. So the formula is 2 into length plus breadth. So you will write 2 into 7 plus 5. Now next step is 2 into 7 plus 5 is equal to 12 and 2 into 12 is equal to 24 centimeter. This is how you have to find out perimeter of square, triangle and rectangle. So children, please see the video carefully. Next I am going to explain you area. Now in area, children, you have the same figures like square, rectangle and other figures. Now in this I will show you the square. Like this is a square. Now in perimeter you measure the boundary of the figure. Now in area you have to find out the portion which is covered by this surface. So that is called area. Okay. Next you have a rectangle. Here also in perimeter you again multiply and you add it by the length into breadth. But in area you have to find out the part which is covered by this figure. So that is called area. Now area, children, is always written in square centimeter. Why? Because you double it. In perimeter you don't double it, but in area you double it. Now I am going to write the formula of area of square. Now what is area of square? Area of square is side into side. Means you are going to multiply the two sides and then you will write square centimeter. That is doubling it. Next is area of rectangle. Now children, in area of rectangle again the opposite sides are equal. So you are going to multiply length into breadth. That is, see, I am writing here length into breadth. Again in the answer you will write square centimeter. Now I am going to give you two examples. One of square. Area of square. Here you will see that one side is equal to 7 centimeter. Now you will write the formula side into side and you will write 7 into 7 is equal to 49 and you can write like this also and you can write like this also. Both ways are accepted. Area of rectangle. Now one side, that is length, is equal to 6 centimeter. Length is equal to 6 centimeter and breadth is equal to 5 centimeter. Now you have to solve it according to the formula. You will write here length into breadth is equal to 6 into 5. Now you will multiply 6 5s are 30 centimeter square, or you can also write as 30 square centimeter. This is how you have to solve the sums of area of rectangle and square. I will send you the solved exercise which you will do in your maths register neatly and try to do the other sums yourself. Thank you.